Hey everyone, PAC-PREZ here, and I want to do a short video just to talk about if you've got this low security padlock and you need more of these for that padlock, how do I do it? Short answer is these keys should be readily available for you to make duplicates of at a variety of places, to include your local locksmith or maybe some big box stores. But the point to this padlock and the commercial item description surrounding it tells a manufacturer like PACLOCK that the keys that come with it need to be commercially available so that duplicates can be made without a big deal. You don't need to call the lock program, you don't need to call the DLA. You should be able to go out, find a local locksmith, and they can get you duplicates made for that key. Simple, fast, efficient.